The Canada-U.S. border remains closed to all non-essential travel until at least September 21st. But some travelers have been taking advantage of a loophole that allows them to fly back and forth. And as Sean O'Shea reports, one Canadian airline is even promoting this kind of travel.
At Toronto's Pearson International, known as Canada's busiest airport, passenger terminals haven't been crowded for 5 months. Many medical experts say that's a good thing.
We're in the middle of a pandemic. We need to keep that border closed until, it's safe to open. And right now it's not safe to open.
And while the land border to the United States is restricted to all but essential travel, you can legally fly to the United States for leisure travel if you like.
Air Canada 1125, turn left, Air K, set on course.
Sure, K, set on course, Air Canada 1125.
When you phone Air Canada, they even tell you how to do it.
Are you eager to reunite with friends and relatives in the U.S.? Did you know that Canadians are permitted to travel by air to and from the U.S. for leisure or business?
Probably should be some social responsibility here, is in the sense that the border is closed for non-essential travel, but not being advertising non-essential travel.
The Government of Canada still advises against all non-essential travel outside the country. And where the U.S. is concerned, some experts say caution is especially important.
Going to an area with lots of community transmission of COVID-19, where you're going to be in contact with other people, I would advise against that.
Air Canada says it's offering essential services and allowing families to reunite. The company also told Global News in a statement that it follows all federal rules and has put in place industry-leading biosafety measures to protect customers and employees. The Airline Industry Association wants the government to consider allowing more travel to countries where the virus is under control. Jill Murphy is traveling to Boston to visit her ailing grandmother.
People don't have to go, then there's no reason to go to a place that doesn't have the greatest of safety recommendations right now.
She says she'd rather stay home and can't understand why anyone would plan a pleasure trip south during a pandemic. Sean O'Shea, Global News, Toronto.